All right, day 3 at Collision Conference. Paul Davenport from Boast here, and I got Ilya from VanHack. How's it going, Ilya?
Good, good. This is hilarious.
Oh yeah, we're having some technical difficulties. It's very first thing on day 3, so we're all getting our bearings back. It's the end of the conference. How's it been so far?
Been fun.
Awesome. All right, so tell me a little bit more about VanHack. We spoke with Megan yesterday.
Sure, of
Love to hear
course.
from you about what you guys do and also your relationship with Boast. I know we've been partners for a while.
Yeah, we've been working with you all for a few years now. I think 3 or 4. You help us with shred. We help companies find people that are shreddable. So we find tech talent for all sorts of companies across North America and Europe. We've done about 1,964 placements. Trying to get to 2,000 soon. And yeah, it's been I think 2 or 3 hires at Boast.
Oh, that is fantastic. Yeah, and I love that our relationship is we help you with your shred, but you also connect us with the ecosystem.
Yeah.
You get us in with the folks who we can help extend their runway, get that non-dilutive funding.
Of course. Yeah, I always tell people do the shred, what's it called? The loan.
The quick fund?
Quick fund. It's so helpful because it's like a lot of money and you get it right away, and the interest is not, it's reasonable. It's not that bad at all, especially given today's markets. And it's like, just put that money into marketing. If you're a SaaS company, you know you're gonna get that money back, right? So you know your numbers and metrics, like more money sooner is usually better, especially if it's non-dilutive, right?
Exactly, and especially if you're at that early stage and it's not like you have the revenue pouring in quite
Yeah,
yet, you can really fill that runway.
Yeah.
And the best thing about Quick Fund too is that you get the confidence that Boast helped you with that claim.
Yeah,
so
yeah,
you're
yeah,
not going to necessarily get that.
Yeah.
Nope, that's not the cash back. You're actually getting that amount, and we'll defend your audit too. So,
I love it. I love it.
Stuff. Yeah. But,
Sweet.
what's on for the rest of the day?
Well, going to try and add more logos to the board. We're doing some business development. So this is our few of our customers. So we're always looking to add more. So that's what I'm going to be doing today.
Sweet. Well, Ilya, it's been a pleasure.
You too,
See you
Paul.
on the floor.
Cheers. Thanks so much. Cheers.